Okay, I'm on page 259. We'll do this step by step. I want you to open Margie's excursion that we did earlier, so I've opened that back up. Select the objects that begin typing or using the selection pane to select the object. So we want to type in the oval, so I'm going to select the oval and I'm going to type cycling. Select the trapezoid and type exploring the city. Select the pentagon and type surfing. And in the cube, National Park. After you added shapes, you can key text directly on the shape and begin formatting by adding a font color, changing the font size and alignment. Try matching it to below. Well, my font is white. I'm just going to move my shapes around just a little bit. Okay. Select all the objects and change the font size and the contents to 16 point and the color to blue, gray, text to darker 50%. So I'm going to select one and then hold down the shift key and select them all. Change my font size to 16 and change the font color to darker or blue, gray, text to darker 50%. Click the References tab. So I'm going to go to my Format, or References, References tab. And then click Insert Caption. And the insertion point is located right of figure 1. Space over twice. And then type Types of Excursions. And automatically will add it below items, but you can put it above. Click OK. And you can see now we have a caption below our document. Say the document is Margie's Excursions 1. Okay. Step by step on the bottom of page 260, select the oval shape and then click More buttons. In the Shape Styles group, so right here. And we're going to select Intense Effect, Blue Accent 5. Should be right here, Intense Effect, Blue Accent 5. Select the trapezoid and select Moderate Effect, Gray Accent 3. Moderate Effect, Gray Accent 3. Regular Pentagon, Subtle Effect, Gold Accent 4. Right there, and the cube. Orange Accent 2, color filled right there, the top one. Each object now has a different shape and fill color. Select the cube again, or mine selected, and then click the Shape Outlines button and change the color of the outline to blue-gray, text to darker 50%. Then check the Shape Outline button again, and we're going to change the weight, so we're going to make it to 3 point, a heavier outline. And then in Shape Effects, we're going to click Shadow. And it wants to offset diagonal top right, so Shadow and the outer. So I think this is it, offset diagonal top right. We have a little shadow around that top right side. Click the Shape Effects button again. Click 3D Rotation. And we want the perspective contrasting left in the 3D rotation. See if this is it. Nope. Oh, in the perspective groups. Let's go down here. This one right here. Okay. Save the document as Margie's Excursions 2. Now let's reposition the shapes so to determine where the shapes will appear. Select the drawing canvas, so I just have the canvas. In the Arrange group, click the Position button and position in middle left with square text wrapping. So here's middle left right here. The caption moves above the shape. My caption moved up here. For step 13, we want to open the Family Vacations 8 document. So let me do that. File, Open, Family Vacation 8. Right here I have it. Select the paragraph beginning "If you are of a family," then copy and return to the previous location. So I need to go down here. I'm going to copy this paragraph. Control C. Go back to my other one. Place the insertion point above the caption. So I'm going to position it up here and then click paste. Okay. The shapes remained right where we had them because we had them positioned in the middle. So the text now went above and below. It went around the picture. Reposition the object so that the document appears better arranged. Select the drawing canvas. So I'm going to select the drawing canvas again. Select the position button and then select position in bottom right. So we need to go to my format tab, position in bottom right. Okay. I'm going to change the view to view one page. Now I can see the whole thing. Shapes are at the bottom of the page while the text is at the top. Save the document as Margie's Excursion 3. Close the Family Vacation 8 file. Right there, I'm going to close it out. The Margie's Excursion 3 file should still be opened. On the View tab, change the view to 100%. Delete all shapes by selecting the drawing canvas and the caption at the top of the page. I'm going to delete that. Okay, then hit delete. Position the insertion point at the beginning of the paragraph and insert the smiley face shape. So, beginning of the paragraph, insert shapes, go to the smiley face, I'm sorry, I lost my mark. And insert the smiley face shape. Draw the shape with the height of 1.28 by 1.24. Need to find my smiley face. There it is. Go ahead and draw it. And they're about like that. So it's 1.28 by 1.24. Okay. Apply a shape style and select Light 1 Outline, Color Fill Gold, Accent 4, there we go. Then in the Range group, click the Wrap Text button and select Tight. The text wraps around the shape. Save the document as Margie's Excursion 4. I'm going to go ahead and pause here. We'll pick up on page 162.